Hello everyone, Spidey Fist here, and I'm going to be showing you how to install a Bluetooth headset into your motorcycle helmet. I have this SMK modular helmet and this A50. You can grab these Bluetooth headsets off of Amazon for relatively cheap. These run about 20 bucks. They're not terrible. Really, whatever Bluetooth headset you decide you want to go with. So I go with these cheap ones. I've put a headset in pretty much every motorcycle helmet that I have. So we'll go ahead and we'll just take this out of the box real quick. This is a brand new headset, has not been set up yet. And no matter which one you end up going with, they're always gonna have basically the same setup, right? It's got a microphone of some sort and it's connected to your two earphones here. And what we're gonna need to do is we're going to need to start by removing the liner of our helmet. So most of the helmets are going to just snap out. Some helmets are already set up. If you see in here, the helmet already has a little space for you to attach your speaker on each ear, and then it actually has a thin little padded area here inside of the helmet for where you line up those speakers so you can hear it. But you want to make sure that you are putting those speakers in an area that isn't covered by a lot of padding. So all that we're gonna do, we're gonna take our speakers, our longer wire is going to go on the right-hand side, and all I gotta do is just set this in here on that little speaker space, and then I'm going to run the cord back under the liner of the helmet back to the other side, and I'm going to connect this one on this side, get those speakers in position. Okay, and I have my headphones in place on the inside, and now I need to get my microphone in place. For this helmet, it does have a little section here where I'm going to be able to attach my microphone, and it's going to come out just like that. Your headset should come with plenty of these little attachments, so that way you can put these stickers on there in order to get your headset set up. And then I just got to connect it right here. And then the wire does bend, so I can adjust it. And now that that's in place, before I tighten it up, I'm going to adhere this to the side. You do have several options whenever it comes to attaching these. Usually they are going to come with one that just sticks like so. It just clips to the side. I usually use that, but with this one, I'm actually going to adhere it to the side. And for this one, on the side of it, it does have the adhesive on it. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have it positioned in the manner that I want it. I want it to sit just like so, right there in that corner, just like so. And for these, you're going to press it on from the top and then slide it down into position. So we have all this extra cord hanging down at the bottom. We need to get that out of the way. We've already connected this side completely, but this side we left open so that way we can finagle and we can adjust as needed. So we'll go ahead and we will adjust all of this stuff and get it all into position as we shove these extra wires back up into our helmet in this space. And now that it is all on and in position, before you get out on the road, make sure that you can still maneuver, close your helmet. If you have any special doohickeys on the side, make sure that you can still do all of that stuff and your Bluetooth is not in the way. If it is in the way, you can always move it. You can always change it. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you. Ride safe out there. I'm Spidey Fist, and I'm out of here.